Saecosaponin B2, SSB2, extracted from Bupleurum coaui root, a traditional liver disease remedy, can block hepatitis C virus, HCV, entry into cells, according to Canadian and Taiwanese researchers. Since new therapies against hepatitis C are extremely expensive, we believe SSB2 may be of value as a cost-effective anti-HCV agent for the management of hepatitis C, particularly in the liver transplant setting, said Dr. Christopher D. Richardson of Dalhousie University in Halifax. Dr. Richardson and colleagues used infectious HCV culture systems to examine the effect of SSB2 and other psychosaponins on the complete virus life cycle. They also examined the antiviral activity of the substances against various HCV genotypes, clinical isolates, and infection of primary human hepatocytes. In particular, we identified SSB2 as an efficient inhibitor of early HCV entry, including neutralization of virus particles, preventing viral attachment, and inhibiting viral entry/fusion. SSB2 also showed activity against various HCV genotypes and blocked HCV infection of primary human hepatocytes, they say. SSB2 does not appear to disrupt cell membranes and accumulate within the host cell, indicating that the extracellular virus is its target. The researchers suggest that SSB2 mediates its antiviral effects, at least in part, by acting on HCV glycoproteins during the initial stages of infection. Our data support the need for further preclinical investigation of SSB2 for use in prophylactic or combination therapies against HCV infection. Furthermore, its structure could serve as a lead compound for future anti-HCV drug development. Dr. Sanjeev, stem cell researcher, mentioned that other liver conditions causing liver failure or hepatorenal syndrome may recover under stem cells potentiation, although liver has high capacity to regenerate, thus avoids liver transplant. For further information and management and treatments, PL connect Dr. Sanjeev on WhatsApp 9323275869.